man. I come
39, 30.
so I come ready. I bet I
39,
come with
13.
chips.
Yeah. Let me slide.
Come
Let
with
me slide
chips.
in that 13 points. I'll bring it back.
Yeah, yeah.
Matter of fact, no, I ain't got no change. I ain't bring no. I got all change at home.
No worries about the small
No,
thing.
Gotta be towards the tax. Them taxes be a motherfucker, bro.
yeah, we got a quarter.
Right on, bro.
Hell yeah. We ain't playing no game.
You don't know
They,
what you doing.
they don't they don't even know what that is
Yeah,
now.
it better work.
Yeah.
I already know. I know it's gonna work. I hope
What
this
this
motherfucker don't
on
break.
point. What's up with it, man? 2-way born. What's up with it, family? You already know. We just checking out the gun. You hear me? The collection, making sure everything looking nice. You
I
hear me?
don't even
That's
see.
all.
I don't even see 2-way in here.
On point 2-way.
I don't see neither. I can't see him.
What you mean? He the second one right here. Type.
I'm
You okay?
telling you, nigga, it's not on here, nigga. If somebody the last person that said something is Evan on here on my screen.
You probably got to update it, bro. Yeah, you
This
probably got to
nigga,
update your shit.
this nigga here talking about I probably gotta update it.
What's
Yeah,
that?
you don't see, you don't still saying what's good, everybody.
Bro said, what's that, huh? Ask him, bro. Ask him what is it. Don't be scared. Be found. Ask him what is it.
What's that? Which
Which
one?
one? This the
That's
AR.
M4.
Now I wish I had an M4. Now this the AR. That's right there, the
And
20 gauge with the
that's the
drum.
Tommy. That look like Tommy, right?
That ain't no damn Tommy gun. That's a
Nah,
shotgun.
That's right then.
Yeah, that's a shotgun.
he just see that
That
big
boy.
ass drum on it.
Look.
Oh, yeah.
This my uncle. He in Texas. He in Texas. You know everything bigger in Texas.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Look at
You
him.
got
He got drum mags and shit.
Oh man.
Hey, ask your boss about me. Ask your boss about me.
Yeah.
I showed your boss I got a judge that shoots shotgun and shit. Now he trying to buy one. But
You got
already.
the size of one.
he got a staccato. Nah, he didn't get it from me, but I'm saying I put him on game about that judge. I had that 454 Casal. And he was like, how in the fuck you got a revolver that shoots shotgun shells? I'm like,
Yeah,
yeah,
yeah. Everybody say
yeah.
that boy got that shotgun with the nuts on it.
Already. I ain't finna leave yet. I'm finna stay up here for a second, about 2 minutes. Yeah, they boss man. Me and my brother came in here one night. My brother had his public defender, and I had my raging judge. And I was showing him. I was like, bro, I got a revolver, nigga, that shoots
That
shotgun
shit
shells
shotgun
with a
shit just
30
already.
with a
I heard
30
about that.
millimeter rifle with a 30 millimeter rifle also inside of the shotgun cartridge.
Let's go. Bars. Yeah, just don't play, man.
Thanks, son. You already know, man.
Like I said, I got some big boy shit. You hear me? Right now, I want to get that Bushmaster too. I want me a Bushmaster.
I wanna if I get another shotgun, I want an AA-12.
Well, I want the 1990. I want the original 1919. I mean, yeah, 1911. I think that's what they call it, 1919 MK 1919. The MK one, the real one.
I know what you're talking about. I kind of want to man. I kind of Remington got that little tank, that
Yeah,
little
no
Remington
cap. I
tank.
know. Yeah, I seen one. Oh, I want to get this one that made out by what's that? Ace of Spade or something like that. They
I
got.
know what you're talking about. The black ace of spades or some shit.
Yeah,
I know what you're
you
talking about.
remember I told you about that bad bitch. Yeah, man. They got one AK style, 12 gauge.
Mm-hmm. Or a
That's
Sega,
yep, yep. No cap.
AK style Sega.
Yes, sir.
However you pronounce it, might be Sayaga or whatever. But y'all know what I'm trying to say. I don't know how to pronounce the names all the way, but I know them.
You hear me? Boy, that thing. Ooh, we got our own little gun range. You hear me? We got our own little auction over here. You hear me? I got my own little auction. You hear me? My
Mm-hmm.
shit of my shit.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Letting you know, don't